Warren Buffett has become one of the world's wealthiest investors by adhering to a few key strategies. Let us understand them today. Foremost, he emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking. Buffett recommends investing in companies you understand and believe in, holding on to your stocks for a long haul. In addition, he focuses on a company's intrinsic value rather than its stock price. Look for businesses with solid fundamentals and competitive advantages. Furthermore, Warren Buffett values a margin of safety. Don't overpay for stocks. Buy when they are undervalued. Moreover, be patient and disciplined. Avoid frequent trading and market noise. Lastly, but not the least, diversify your portfolio wisely. Leverage Strike, India's premier real-time data and analytics tool, to your advantage and make informed stock market decisions. Register for free at web.strike.money today and empower your stock market journey with data-driven insights.